617, I set by. Live like a king. 617, I step hard. Ain't built like me. 617, I sell y'all a bunch of feet. 617, I bet y'all ain't built like me. Listen, nobody wants.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Fahim and I am back with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be installing Caruse's spoiler Aero flap on my 2020 Civic Si. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out the box. I'll show you guys real quick what it looks like, and then after that I'm going to be strapping the GoPro to my head and I'll give you guys a point of view of how I install it on the spoiler. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this right here is the box that it came in. So I'm going to show you guys what the packaging is. It's just in a big plastic and it is 3M, so we don't need to do anything else. It's going to be a 3M sticker that we install it with. This is the company, Caruse Design. So this is what the whole thing looks like basically. And yeah, so let me take it out the plastic real quick and I'll show you guys one more time what it looks like for real. Alright guys, so I took it out the plastic. This is what it looks like with the plastic off. All black, sleek. Like I said, it is 3M, so all we gotta do is remove that. And this is going to be going flat onto here basically. You see this part, this little thing is gonna hook underneath this. So basically, if you guys can see, it hooks underneath. I can't get it right now, but obviously I will get it right. It's not supposed to be like that, probably. But it should be looking something like this. It won't look exactly like this, but it'll look something like this. So yeah, like I said, this basically just goes right onto the spoiler and it'll be another flap on. So I'm about to strap the GoPro to my head and I'll show you guys how I install this. Alright guys, so like I said, this goes underneath this whole thing basically. So it should be like this. Yeah, it should look just like that, guys. Alright, so what you guys want to do is take these stickers off. Again, you got one shot at this, so make sure you just align it up perfectly and it'll be good. Take these off real quick. And take this big one off. I'll take this one. Yep, that's one. More left. And boom. Alright, so all the stickers are out. Oh, pick those up real quick. And like I said, you just want to line it up to the way it's supposed to be. Try not to mess it up. And try not to stick on already. And you want to make sure that you can get the Caruse design in the middle. I think that is definitely in the middle. That was hard. Right on, boys, right on. Beautiful. You see how it's flush on there? Corners line up just like that. This one in, like I said. Yeah, it's all tucked in and everything, and as you guys can see, I'm pretty sure this is like right in the middle. It looks aligned. Definitely looks like it's in the middle. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a real quick install. It's really quick and easy. No screws, no drilling or anything, all 3M. All I want to do is just go over the, keep pushing it down so I know it's stuck on there. Keep pushing these corners down. Push this side down on it. And look at that. That's pretty much it, guys. That is all that you have to do. Push it down, pat it down, wipe it down. And it's not going anywhere, like it's moving, but it's moving with the spoiler. I don't think it'll fly off or anything, no way. So yeah, that's basically the install. I'm about to switch to my phone real quick so I'll show you guys the better angles. So yeah. So guys, this is it right here. I'll show you guys the best angles that I can. But it wraps around underneath a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it definitely wraps around. The corners go right here. And it's aligned up. Like I said, this is the logo right here. This is the Honda logo. I think it's aligned right in the middle. Yeah, that looks good. So this is how it looks. It gives it a little bit of a, you know, wing look. Like it comes up a little more. You can definitely tell. So just a little mod, just again, just so that the car looks a little nicer. I think it looks a lot nicer with this one on. Yeah, look at that. Like this angle, the way it like just curves up like that, I think that looks nice. And you know, with the all black, it looks clean. Everything's black. So yeah, that's what the car looks like now. We got the Aero flap installed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. And that's how it looks. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the point of view of me installing it. It's a really easy install. There's no screwing, no drills, none of that. It's literally just 3M sticker. All you gotta do is peel it off. You gotta align it the way you want it, so it's aligned perfectly, so it looks sleek and clean. And then all you gotta do is keep pushing down on that 3M tape. Also, you gotta wash the car before you do that. I did get a car wash before I installed this, so I was good on that. You have to have a clean surface to work on. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wash your car, peel the sticker off, and then keep pushing down on it. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes, so let it settle in, and then after that I'm gonna go back and keep applying pressure to the parts with the 3M sticker sticking to the car, so I know for sure that it is sticking. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I like how the car looks now. I think it just adds a little nice extra oomph to it. It looks a lot better and makes it a little more aggressive look. And yeah, I think it looks really good. Let me guys know what you guys think about it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
I just roll 4 blunts, some more Ivy. Hey, ball pocket in the corner.